This is class 7 MT and today we will discuss chapter 3rd, Aim of Human Life. Aim of human life means what will be the aim of a human life? The aim of a human life is to live a life of prosperity and peace. The peaceful living means the coexistence with all other fellow creatures on the earth and harmony with the nature. The aim of human life should be to bring happiness to one and all, even to coming generation. Now let us discuss this with the story. Once time, Swami Vivekananda was sailing to America to attend a conference. On the ship, he met an Indian student going there for higher study. The student behaved in a very arrogant manner as he was aware that very few people could afford to go to abroad in those days. So he feel proud of his knowledge too. Swamiji heard his word patiently, and he decided to teach him a lesson of values of life. So Swamiji asked him, "What are you going to America for?" The boys replied proudly that he is going for higher studies. Swamiji asked politely, "Then what happened after that?" The boy said, "After returning India, he will get a good job and earn a lot of money." Swamiji asked, "And then?" The boy impatiently answered, "I shall be able to marry a girl." Again, Swamiji asked, "Then what happened?" The student irritatively replied that he shall have children, a big house, a car, and other luxurious things. And my children will be well educated and perhaps they too will go abroad. Swamiji asked again, "Then what happened?" Quite annoyed, the student replied, "He will retire from any job and live comfortably on a good position." Then again Swamiji asked, "After that?" Sure, the Swamiji was mocking at him. The student angrily said, "Then what?" "One day I will die." Swamiji smiled calmly at him and said, "If it is only to earn, eat, have children and die, what is the real worth of human life? All the Are the animals not doing the same thing without an expensive foreign education? Are the birds not doing the same thing without schooling? Are the fish not doing this without high salary and bungalow? Life and death are common to all human beings. Of course, you should earn and live well, but you should also have high ideals. It is good to have money and position, but it is worthless only if it is used in the service of other." The student looked quite disturbed and he decided that Swamiji's words were worth thinking about deeply. Swamiji told him the teaching of some great men. The most perfect man is the one who is most useful to other, said by Prophet Muhammad, and let us think that we are born for the common good, said Roman philosopher. After listening these words, the children think that what will be said by the Swamiji was the correct, and the life is not for ourselves only, means for ourselves only, but it is used for the welfare of others. Thank you.